Hi folks, Mark here, views from Mark. First off, as always, I hope wherever you are in the world that you're keeping safe, healthy and well. What a year 2021 has been. Finally, we have the release of No Time to Die in the cinemas. And if you haven't seen it already, I cannot recommend highly enough that you go and see it in a cinema where it's meant to be viewed. The cinema experience is one that can't be missed, so go and check it out. I'm not going to have any spoilers in this short video, so you can stick around if you haven't seen it yet. There's nothing going to be given away as such. Today's video is going to be a very brief one, I think. I always say that and it always overruns, but basically I received in the post yesterday via special delivery this box, and some of you may recognise this box as one of Orlebar Brown's shipping boxes. Now if you want to skip ahead to when I actually start unboxing this, feel free, there's a chapter marker in the description below. But a very brief background to this. Basically, I received a message from Orlebar Brown's account on Instagram about a week and a half ago. They had seen a lot of the content that I've posted before, so whether it be on Instagram or my unboxing video on my YouTube channel. And they just wanted to get in contact and thank me for the support and for creating that content. And as a token of thanks, they wondered if I'd be interested in them sending me one of the Bond t-shirts that they've currently got in their Bond collection, so to speak. And of course I'm going to say yes, why wouldn't I? I did actually have my eye on one of their t-shirts, well, one or two of them. I hadn't purchased them yet, so in the interests of full disclosure, I've not purchased what they've sent me today. This, as I say, is a token of thanks from them. So I want to say a massive thank you to Orlebar Brown and to their social media / customer services team. I've always had fantastic service from them, and you know, they're a brand that I will support because, you know, their products are unique and they're really well made, and the style is one that I like. Everyone has different tastes, different likes, different fashions, but for me, they're a great brand. As I say, customer service, fantastic. So I said to them, of course, yes, I'm really grateful. I'd love to receive one of these Bond t-shirts. I told them the kind that I had my eye on, which was going to be my next purchase. And they said, okay, well, stock permitting, we'll get one sent out to you in your size within the next week. Knock on the door yesterday morning at 9:30, and the postman was stood with this box. So this is my first unboxing of this product. It's unopened, as you can see. So let's get to it, shall we? So, as with everything that comes from Orlebar Brown, it's always really nicely packaged in these kind of recycled packaging, you know, card that they use. So let's have a look. Drum roll, please. I'll turn this around this way so you guys can see as well. Ta-da! Right, okay. So we'll take out the card and the item itself. So as you can see, that's what's in the box. We'll put that to one side. Right, so usually when you order something from Orlebar Brown, you get one of these cards that's printed out and they print your name in it. And then if there's something that's not quite right with what you've ordered, if you want to change sizes or colour, or if it just, you know, it's not quite what you were after, you can return it. So there's all the information in there. It's got my name in it, got the details there from Adam Brown, who's the founder. So that's great. I'm sure this is going to be fine though. I did let them know my size. I've got a couple of their t-shirts already. I tend to go for a size medium on their t-shirts. I just like something that's a bit more of a loose, not kind of sprayed on fit. You know, but let's have a look. So, shall open this up. This is quite exciting for me because as a kind of personal milestone, I've never been sent something by a company, you know, as thanks, something that I've not bought. Everything that I've unboxed on my channel to date has been something that I've spent my hard-earned money on myself, you know, and I've, you know, purchased it from them. So this is a bit of a milestone, but sounds stupid, but you know, it's the little things that count, especially in the days that we're living in now. So here we are. Should take this out, put that to one side, and here we have an unbelievably soft cotton t-shirt in medium. It's in this grey. Now, the eagle-eyed among you will know what this t-shirt is from. As I mentioned, they said to me, would I be interested in them sending me one of their Bond t-shirts? And I said, yes, of course. Big Bond fan. And this is actually the grey t-shirt that you see Daniel Craig wearing in No Time to Die in some of the Jamaica scenes. Basically when you first see him in Jamaica. That's not a spoiler, it's in the trailer, it's in the promotional shots. There's been plenty of those things going around online for well over a year, so it's not a spoiler to say that you see him in this t-shirt. Shall I open this up a bit now? As you can see, it looks, yeah, it's really great. I love the colour, this kind of stony grey colour to it. The fabric on their cotton t-shirts is so soft. I can't really, you have to go and see one of their stores or order one of their t-shirts just to experience it, because, you know, for me it's about how products feel, you know, how you interact with them. This is super soft cotton. It's going to be nice and breathable, perfect for hot weather, for going on holiday, or just, you know, having as even an under t-shirt underneath a jumper during winter. You know, it's going to be fantastic. But no, I'm absolutely thrilled with that. In the film, you'll notice Daniel Craig's version, which I'll pop an image up here by the magic of YouTube and video editing. When we see Bond in that period of his life in the film, this is when he's retired. Obviously, we find him in Jamaica. And again, not to give any spoilers away, but the t-shirt shows signs of age. There's holes in it. It's, you know, it's well worn, weather beaten. Obviously, Orlebar Brown aren't going to send you one that looks like it's, you know, been owned and lived in for 10, 15 years. But this is pristine. It's a pristine example. Orlebar Brown, size medium, mid-grey, OBT t-shirt style. They've got a few different ones on their website. It's well worth checking out. They've got a lovely one in white as well, which is one that I may look at in the future as well. That's also featured in the film, but it's a kind of a blink and you miss it scene. It really is, but I'm not going to say any more than that. But it is, you do see him wearing the white version of this t-shirt as well. So yeah, that's it. It's a very brief unboxing, hopefully. You know, we're coming up on 10 minutes, but I'm absolutely thrilled with this. Again, a huge thank you to Orlebar Brown for sending me this. Their Bond lineup that they have on their website is fantastic. If you haven't seen it already, there is a link in the description below. Do go and check it out. It's well worth, even out of curiosity's sake, taking a look at the kind of styles that they're kind of reimagining, you know, from the older films into the modern era. It's worth taking a look at, and you know, maybe purchase a thing or two, who knows. I've also got links down below to some of my social media feeds, so check those out if you haven't already. And as every YouTuber tends to say nowadays, if you haven't already, please do subscribe, hit the bell so you get a notification when I post something new. I've been a bit quiet this year, 2021. I think it's been one of those strange kind of purgatory years where, you know, with the pandemic and everything's kind of been a bit kind of up in the air, but I will be back creating more content on a more regular basis, hopefully in the coming months and certainly going into 2022. So that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, as I say, please click the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, hit the bell, you know, all that usual stuff. But from me, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this. Hope wherever you are in the world, stay safe, stay healthy, keep happy, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Thanks very much.